Hi guys, I'm Suprabha. In this video, we'll study second method. It is one of the numerical methods that is used to find approximate root for f of x equal to 0. This is the graphical representation. This is any curve. We are supposed to find the value of x at which f of x is equal to 0. We'll understand the graphical representation through the steps. Step 1. Choose I equal to 1. Second step is assume x of I, xi and xi minus 1. So we'll choose xi as this point. On the graph it will be fx minus f of xi, and xi minus 1. So let us choose xi as this point. On the graph it will be fxi minus 1. For time being, we will not consider I is equal to 1. Now find xi plus 1. To find this point, join these 2 points or draw a second that connects these 2 points. Now this is the approximate root. This is the exact value of the root and we are supposed to find out the approximate root. For that, we'll extend this line that cuts the x-axis. So this will be the approximate root denoted by xi plus 1. Now again find out the function value of that is fxi plus 1. Again repeat the procedure. Connect these 2 points. So if we connect these 2 points, we will get this point. So as we go on repeating the procedure, we will get the approximate root that is closer to this exact root. So repeat the steps until and unless we are close to 0. Now the proof. This proof is derived from the Newton-Raphson method. We know the formula of Newton-Raphson method. It is xi plus 1 is equal to xi minus f of xi and derivative of xi. So we know that derivative is nothing but change in function with respect to x. So we can approximate it. F of xi is equal to change in function with respect to x. So we'll simply substitute this formula in the Newton-Raphson. We get now simply make it upside down. We get the final formula. So this is the formula of the second method. We'll understand the procedure clearly through an example. Example is solve equation x cube is equal to 20. They have given the initial values. X0 is equal to 4.0, x1 is equal to 5.5. And they have told that solve the equation up to 2 iterations. 2 iterations means up to 2 approximate roots. So we have x cube is equal to 20. We solve it for f of x equal to 0. To convert in the form f of x equal to 0, we will write x cube minus 20 is equal to 0. We will let this equation as f of x. So we have the formula of Newton-Raphson method here. The first step is choose I equal to 1. If we substitute I equal to 1, the formula will be x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1. This is the formula of second method. Now we have the value of x0, we have the value of x1. So we will find the value of x2. Now f of x1 is 4. Substitute this 4 in this equation. We will get 4 cube minus 20. X1 is 5.5, X0 is 4. So, it is, 5.5 plus 2. So, 5.5 minus 4 divided by f of x1, again the same thing here, and f of x0. X0 is 4, substitute here, we get 4 cube minus 20. Now, if you solve this equation, value of x2 will be 3.353. So, this is the first iteration, that is the first approximate rule. For the second iteration, the formula will be x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2, x2 minus x1, f of x2 minus f of x2. Now, after substituting the values and solving the equation, the value will be 3.059. So, we have completed the 2 iterations. So, this is the end of the example. Out of the 4 methods, the Newton-Raphson method and secant method are very important because most of the gate questions are asked on these 2 methods. Hope you understood. Thank you.
For any doubts and suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. For more details, you can refer these videos. Also check out the link in the video description for handwritten notes. Guys, help us to help you, so please like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.